We're here at Twin Rivers Wine and Gourmet Shop, one of the sponsors for No Coast Film Fest 2021. Not only are they sponsoring the festival, but they will be hosting an exclusive Filmmakers Mixer Friday night to kick off the festival. All right, Joe, this is amazing. What inspired you to start MJs?
Several years ago, I was getting more experimental with my home cooking, but I had no formal training. And a friend of mine, who is the executive chef of a local restaurant, said, "Go to culinary school." I said, "Am I crazy to be going to culinary school at my age?" He said, "Not at all." So that's what I did. Went to culinary school, still kept my full-time 8-to-5 job, and then along with my significant other, Megan, we formed MJs. So Megan and Joe formed MJs as a catering service. We have aspirations to eventually have our own brick and mortar restaurant and bar, but for the time being, we're doing caters. And some simple philosophies really about food is that it should be fun and it should be fresh. No processed foods, whenever possible.
I can taste that.
Good. And layers of flavor and bringing
that too.
And so getting flavors that work well together. So you have that explosion of flavor in your mouth that just wants you to keep coming back. So what I have laid out here are just we have a basic crostini. Some people would call this a lock. This is a locally baked bagel, goat cheese, smoked salmon, and dill. Just a lovely balance of flavors there. The other thing that I've set out is this is a fresh cucumber that came right out of my garden this morning. Again, a goat cheese, a strawberry jalapeno jam on top of that with prosciutto. Like with any fresh vegetable, there's a slight bitterness somewhere in the background, and the saltiness of the prosciutto kind of offsets that. Then you have this lovely creaminess of the goat cheese with its tartness, and it's offset by the pepper jam.
Yeah, so a lot of the things you were talking about, the cucumber coming right out of your garden, so it's authentic, it's homegrown, all of these layers of different things working together, and then that explosion of flavor. At No Coast, we're really trying to help inspire an explosion of creative work, especially in movies here in Emporia, and we really want to highlight, just like the cucumbers that come from your garden, the authentic, homegrown stories that are from here in Emporia. Besides that element of authenticity, homegrown goodness, where do you see MJs and No Coast aligning? What attracted you to being a sponsor for our exclusive Filmmakers Mixer this year?
Well, first of all, I've known you for a number of years, and we've been friends. So when you approached us about this, certainly we wanted to be involved. But I love what No Coast does, and it's attracting the creative people from all over, not just from Emporia, but far-reaching. So it gives us an opportunity to bring our philosophy of food to those people. Creativity comes in so many different shapes and sizes. Whether you're editing a film, whether you're creating music, whether you're cooking food.
Right.
There's a lot of my experiments that don't work. Trust me on that. But I'm going to bring to you some tried and true things that I know that do work.
Yeah. Well, I'm looking forward to MJs Instincts being in our Filmmakers Mixer. Let it spin just like a movie reel.
Cheers.
Cheers.